Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a simple SFML window in C++. So here's the code for it. Very simple, very straightforward. To begin with, we include SFML graphics. This is the include file, the header file, that gives us access to the functions that we need. We have our main function, and then we have a render window object, SF render window. You could, of course, if you wanted, do using namespace SF, but here we're just doing SF render window. Create a window object in SF video mode, which tells us, or tells the compiler, how big we want the window to be. In this case, 640 by 480. And this is the title of the window, which is just window. Then we create a circle right here, a circle shape, and we set the fill color of the circle shape, which is just green, so a green circle. Then we enter the main loop of the program. While a window is open, we create a new event object, and we check for all of the events happening on the window and put those events in the event object. And then we test to see if the event is the close event, which means someone has clicked on the X of the window. And if so, close the window, which will break us out of the main loop. And as long as someone hasn't closed the window, we clear the window, we draw the circle right here, and we display it. And we just go through that loop right there. And when we're done, we exit the program. That's the simple code. Now let's compile it. You can compile this using G++ if you want, of course. I'm going to use Clang++, but the commands are the same either way. So you have to use Clang++, and then you have to include the SFML libraries. If you don't do that, the linker will complain at you. And you have to include the right libraries in the right order. And if you don't do that, not only will the linker complain at you, but it will actually tell you what you're missing. For instance, if we just have -L SFML graphics, and then the code here, SFML window.cpp, it'll compile it, but you can see the linker error where it says it's missing libsfml window. So then if we add that in, L SFML window, now it'll complain about missing the system library, which the complaint for that is right here, libsfml system. And then we can add in -L SFML system, and that should be all the libraries the linker needs. And there we go. It's compiled properly. There, it's compiled as a.out. We could have given it a different name if we wanted by doing -O SFML window, or whatever name you want the compiled executable to be. So compile it again, SFML window. Now we can run it. And here we go. Here is the window, the nice, pretty, fun SFML window with the circle in it. And it'll close properly when we click the X. And that is the whole program. So that's how you create a basic, simple window using SFML in C++. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff.